boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause he know that it's fact. Yeah. And it been what it been. Look at my shit, cause he know what I'm on. But when he hit me, I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without you. And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do.
The boys are way up. The boys are way up. He doesn't see us. You're not making money, boy. The boys are way up. The boys are way up.
I just did my hair. I need to refresh my baby hair because she's been rolling around soup. This is the day after the last clip. But I really don't care how they really look right now. I just need something for this video I'm about to do. I'm about to do a pop shelf review. So yeah, we gotta get this content out. I'm trying to be consistent and shout out to my new subbies. I see y'all. I gained like 20 followers from my shorts and I'm proud of myself. I've been being consistent and I've been growing my YouTube and TikTok, not so much. TikTok got some shit going on with it, but we gonna make it. We gonna keep posting and yeah, I'm about to do a little makeup video and I'm gonna take y'all with me. I'll see y'all next clip. Alright y'all, so I'm halfway through shooting my TikTok and my reel, not reel, but my short, my YouTube short. So yeah, I'm doing a review on these products from Pop Shelf. Alright, so I'm about to test these powders out. Which one do I do first? I think I'm gonna Alright y'all, so I'm done shooting the video. Hopefully it comes out right. Wiped something in the store and now I got a bunch of bumps. I would never do that again. I knew better, but yeah. So cute. Like everything's so cute. I'll come back later. I don't know. I don't need to cook today, so I won't be showing that. When I say it's been a long day, it's been a long day. My children, they won't act up. I'm like yelling all the time. We gotta find a middle ground. Yeah, I'm about to take my shower. Let's get undone. I need to take this makeup off. And my face wash is almost to the ground. Best thing, y'all. It's gonna get rid of the pimples gonna get deflated. Okay, I'll see you guys later. I'm tired. Alright, y'all.
To advance, the bezel is Tiffany stamp. Don't grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't.
My days are cold without you.
I gotta bring the light with me. We're gonna make chipotle bowls. I'm really knocking at the door. Yeah, I'll be back. Alright, so we got a package. I'm going to open this water table for the kids, and it has my wax stick in here. I am sick of getting on my coat. And this is what it is. It comes with little parts. Oh, this is the wax stick. Oh, I was so confused. I didn't know. I thought that was part of the kid toy. Let's unbox this and then come out. I moved my car back. I said, boom. I said, back to your car. I'm not here. Oh yeah, so we got to start making the chipotle.
Let's to advance, the bezel is Tiffany stamp. Don't grip on my hand. I know that I came with the slide from left to right, but now I don't want to dance. I got too much on the line, too much on my mind, too much ain't enough of my plans. Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it. They pay me to show you I do it again.
Here we go. Another smiles and cute. That's cute. I think I seen this last time. She can wear that 69. Hey y'all, so this is, I don't know what day. I don't know what number it is, but it's Monday. I'm gonna watch this vlog, do my hair, my video. Hey y'all, I'll come back this week. I'm done cutting up that wig or whatever. I had to take it off because I had to do more stuff, and I need to do the whole pants. These are like the same material as the leggings I have. Got some more set. I got this little two-piece set. My daughter's birthday is next month. I ordered some from this place called Marco's. They're really good.
No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours.
But yeah, these girls, they asked me saying she look like she know what she doing. So I went there with my makeup done. Okay, I knew I was done. And yeah, I helped the girl and everything. She said she was getting ready for fun, and it was pretty cool that they asked me. It's like, I know my stuff. Okay. Sometimes you got a network, and I gave her my TikTok and everything. And I also gave an Uber driver, well, not Uber, Lyft. This Lyft driver, she said she needed makeup done tomorrow. So I don't know what's gonna happen with that, but yeah, that was pretty cool though. Like I got out of my comfort zone, so yeah, that's pretty much it, y'all. And I also got some stuff from TJ Maxx. I'll show that later. I got the NYX Fat Walls. The clear one is my main, and the second one is Supermodel. I got this NYX Eyebrow Opal Foundation, Morphe Setting Spray, and this Hydro Camo Concealer by e.l.f. And this e.l.f. Halo Glow. I heard a lot of things about that. Cream blush. I didn't even read it. Raspberry. I also got two gifts. I got 4 professional primer, a little mask, and it came out to $89.28. And I use my credit card. What's this? I need to recognize it for real. Oh, like under the sink. Cute little mirror. Libby would love this.
For my plans, Nike don't pay me to tell you just do it. They pay me to show you I do it again.
Huh? Yeah, I'm in control of the blog. You know how
Alright y'all, so I didn't show y'all this last night. Hair box for $12.99. It looks like a designer box. So funnel. Hey cutie.
Steak knives.
Oh wow. Oh darling. That's what it used to be. Crazy. They have some cute little bowls. We're gonna go on that beach trip. So that, will you be okay with that? Yeah, I like. Yeah, contact paper. She's came here. Get this one cute. Socks, hats. Yeah, it's cute. Well, it's been a long day. I'm currently recording content, but yeah, today is the long day. I didn't record anything today because there really wasn't much going on. Yeah, so I'll come back when there's something going on. So yeah, I hope y'all like the footage so far. I'm like kind of iffy about it, but it is what it is. This is the real life of a stay-at-home mom and content creator. A mom is trying to make it out here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Are you trying to say my driving bad too? What you trying to say? because she couldn't bite it. I said, baby, don't.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit.
So I got this Starbucks drink. It's called Starbucks Pink Drink. It's basically the refresher, strawberry acai, coconut milk. And it's pretty good. We about to go in the store. It's dark as hell because it's raining. But I'm about to get some wipes from the store. My brother about to drive me because, you know, I'm passenger princess. Uh-oh. Hello.
What?
Yeah.
It's always right now.
Man, I need to get my license so I can start. So I got some stuff from the store. I didn't really get much. I wanted to do this mullet, so I got this. And I got one pack of hair because I already had some hair and I'm gonna do something different. That's why I used this before for a ponytail board. I already had like 2 more, so that's another thing. Alright, my camera about to die, so I will be back later.